Welcome everybody to this very exclusive workshop by Today Jebala. In fact, Jebala doesn't really need introduction.
This is not really a lecture, it's really more of a workshop type. So now that most people are kind of settled, so please find a comfortable position. In ourselves, in our mind, in our heads. So keep it short, 3 minutes each, or maybe 4 minutes.